Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel The Investment Insider. This side, Pranshu Kaushal. And today, I am going to share with you some secret hacks and tricks to maintain a good credit score. As we all know, having a good credit score is important for various reasons, such as getting approved for loans, credit cards, or even mortgages. A good credit score shows that you are responsible with your credit and that you can manage your finances effectively. So, let's get started with the secret hacks and tricks to maintain a good credit score.
Before moving forward, please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Tip number 1. Pay your bills on time. One of the most important factors that affect your credit score is your payment history. Therefore, it's crucial to pay your bills on time. Every time, late payments can negatively impact your credit score and show that you are not responsible for your credit. Tip no. 2. Keep credit utilization low. Credit utilization refers to the amount of credit you are using, compared to the total amount of credit you have available. Keeping your credit utilization low can help you maintain a good credit score. Ideally, you should aim to keep your credit utilization below 30%. Tip number 3. Monitor your credit report. It's essential to monitor your credit report regularly to ensure that all the information on it is accurate. You can get a free credit report once a year from each of the credit bureaus. Checking your credit report can help you identify any errors or fraudulent activities and take appropriate action to correct them. Tip number 4. Don't apply for too much credit. When you apply for credit, such as a loan or credit card, the lender checks your credit score. Too many credit inquiries can negatively impact your credit score. Therefore, it's essential to avoid applying for too much credit within a short period. Tip number 5. Maintain a good credit mix. Having a mix of different types of credit, such as a credit card, a car loan, and a personal loan, can help you maintain a good credit score. This shows that you can handle different types of credit and are responsible for your finances. That's all for today's video on secret hacks and tricks to maintain a good credit score. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching. And we'll see you in the next video.